This is how we built a fully 3D printed UAV. After doing some research and looking through Thingiverse, we found a well-documented build that would serve as a good starting point for our project. After testing out the propeller and motor we were using, we gathered some carbon fiber rods for the frame and started 3D printing.
One eternity later.
We started assembling, and after many bottles of superglue later, we wired up the servos and other electronics until we had something that resembled a plane. Now we are ready to fly. Or so we thought. For our first test flight, we tested our throwing skills, which seemed to check out, but our plane had other plans. This was our plane after the minor setback. So we went back to the drawing board. We tested a more capable motor with the same propeller and measured its thrust. Then we used that same motor with a larger carbon fiber propeller. It was scary. So naturally, we went with the carbon fiber blade. This time we also used a larger battery, made some makeshift landing gear to make crash landing a little smoother, and finally weighed the plane and made sure our center of gravity was where we wanted it. Until we had something that looked like this. It was ready for round 2. We counted that flight time a success.